Hi, I'm Doug Canfield. I'm the Executive Director of the Legal Services Corporation of Delaware. The staff that we have in our organization, the Legal Services of Delaware, are, one, highly experienced. They're a dedicated group of attorneys. They work for much less than they could make in the private sector, but they're very committed to the type of work that we do and to the clients that we serve. The Combined Campaign for Justice is unique in the United States, I think. One, in terms of our success, we have been able to raise per capita about 3 times per attorney what any other program in the country has done. Also, what's unique is it's not run by us, it's not run by the agencies, it's really run by the volunteer attorneys. Working for a legal services organization is very important to me. I get to see clients, I get to see the successes and the difference that we make in the lives of our clients.